Pump number 8.
You'll get great deals on all our certified used cars with standard limited warranties. And that's a good thing.
You have the cleaning all right.
Good lord, even with all my discounts and shit, still over $6 a gallon for premium is fucked. Why do I want to climb that? I'm sure that's illegal as hell. Actually, let me punch in my... Is this all copyrighted shit? Oh, it's an Apple ad. Guess we can go out there. Jesus. You done yet? Fuck, I'm at like a third of a tank. There's no way there's that much. Okay, 4602. Okay.
Our biggest event of the year going on right now. You'll get great deals on all our certified used cars with standard limited warranties. Use the brand.
I can't believe I had to listen to that ad that many times. How many miles? I had to listen to an ad a bunch of times. Oh, I'm stupid. Let's rock. Is the recording still going? Yes, it is. Wait, that one right here. I talked to one of my coworkers today, and they said that people running lights around here is not just us. That's a thing that happens.
Really?
Yes. That everyone and their fucking mother is impatient as hell around here.
Yeah, guess what? I talked to one of the people, one of the regulars at my house.
Mm-hmm.
And he was like asking me my political views first and foremost.
He said that?
He just asked me. He asked me if I was Republican or Democrat.
Oh.
I'm like, dude, you don't ask people.
Right?
Like, I got asked if I was religious, and I got asked if I was a Democrat or Republican. And like, I'm like,
What the fuck?
what the hell is going on, bro?
People are so strange.
But yeah, he was like, everyone around here is Republican. If you find a Democrat, we kick them out. In Longview.
Okay.
Right. So I just lied to him and I told him I was Republican.
Nice.
So,
That's such a dumbass thing.
right, like, leave
Who
me
would you,
alone.
why would you, why?
Yeah. I actually opted, like, at first, I was like, well, I just hate them all. That's what I told him.
Right, that's the safe answer that doesn't offend anyone.
Right. He was like,
Usually.
well, you gotta stay informed and do your research. And I'm like, do you do your research?
Right?
Other than on Facebook? Because I bet you don't.
Or watching AI generated videos.
Yeah.
That's speed limit signs.
And he was also asking me where I lived.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Your fucking mom's house. Motherfucker.
And the manager was like, oh, you can't deal with him yet. Don't deal with him.
So he's known for being annoying.
Yeah, him and his wife, yeah.
Oh boy.
Because he goes there with his wife. Yeah, he's just known for being an ass, so.
That's cool.
But he liked me.
Well, of course he did.
I cannot believe he asked me what my views were. Like, that's just something that you don't ask.
Right? That's the... I mean, obviously it's not wrong to ask it. It's just weird. Oh, there he goes. What do you want, dude?
Kiss my fish.
Drive my truck. Drink my beer. What the fuck? Don't worry, that'll be the thing that offends people.
Right, I know.
Is it gonna get back over? Oh, yep, getting back over.
Oh my god.
Dude.
I'm very offensive, I've noticed. Like,
Maybe.
I'm
Would kiss my fish?
I'm gonna fish my kiss. Oh my god. I didn't even mean to do that.
Come on, asshole, go around me.
Drive my truck. Kiss my beer.
I'm gonna kiss your beer?
I can't speak. I can't speak today.
It's a stock car. I mean, granted, some idiot obviously muffler deleted it, and that's why it's loud, but like,
Yeah.
Jesus. Can I have
So I just don't have a
cigarette?
muffler?
Apparently.
But I like how it's because it's not that loud when I drive it.
Right. Well, no, see, that's the thing. We can get you a exhaust system that just replaces the muffler, and
Yeah, but that's like an arm and a leg.
not really.
How much is it?
I mean, an axle back system should be no more than a couple hundred.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, when you look at what it would cost to put a brand new like OEM muffler on there, I mean,
Exactly, so I'm just not gonna fix it.
unless I happen to make friends with a welder, because someone who knows how to weld could just weld in a muffler and take care of it, but I don't have any welder friends right now.
Didn't you cut off Terry's?
Yeah, that was with an exhaust clamp, and it just, like, that truck happened to have everything work out perfectly. I'm supposed
Didn't
to...
you have to put it back on?
I did.
And you did it with a plan?
No, he took it to a
Oh.
dealership to have it done. Well, he didn't do it. His mom made him, or his one of them made him do it.
That is so
Which was the gayest thing ever, because that truck, like, those trucks sound really good with just a muffler bleed, and it wasn't that loud.
I cannot believe you did that.
He wanted me to. I tried to talk him out of it, or like I can do it, but as long as you have permission, and that's when I'll do it.
Does he pay for it, or does his friend pay for
I don't remember.
it? That was so funny.
That was pretty
Is
fun.
he 21, 20?
Oh, he turns 21 this August. Right? No. Yes. Yes, he turns 21 this August. you're talking about.
You're going 500, bro.
I know, I could probably.
You pull you over for that.
Not for going 5 under.
Yes, you can.
That's only illegal if you're doing 15 under or more. Where is he?
Now you're going 6 under.
Bruh. Where is he? Well, I obviously got on the brakes fast enough. Jesus.
I wonder if he's like driving.
Could be.
Just kidding.
What?
Confused. Now he's gone?
That's weird.
Those lights are so cool looking.
What lights?
The paperless lights.
Oh, yeah, right.
Kind of looks like a mini signal.
That's why I put the camera on the right side of the car, because you get to see the whole paper mill here to the right.
They just make paper.
Apparently. I feel like that's where like 50% of this city works.
100%.
Probably a little less than that in actuality, but
That's kind of like dystopian. Like dystopian. How do you say that?
dystopian. Yeah.
Dystopian.
Yeah.
It's pretty reminds me of like Little Nightmares. You know Little Nightmares?
Yeah. My brother played that game.
Oh really?
Hopefully he's watching right now. Nathan, are you watching right now?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Say Little Nightmares 2 is better than the original.
Oh, they came up with a new one?
Is there a third one now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I don't like it. I watched the playthrough.
Oh.
It's not that good. So, like, obviously every game has a little bit of repetitivity.
Repetitiveness.
Yeah.
172,000.
But that game is like, it's extremely repetitive.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the same thing over and over again.
That's lame.
I couldn't even watch it. That's how you know it's bad. You know?
If you can't even like someone or watch someone that you like watching play video games, play it.
This guy's swerving, man.
He's probably drunk.
Probably.
It's Thursday night.
Apparently-
35 here? Are you serious right now?
Apparently he's a Republican too. Now them Republicans supposed to drink and drive. He's totally drunk.
While they kiss their fish
Drive their trucks. Drink their
and simultaneously drink their beers.
beer. Yeah. While they're driving, they're kissing fish and drinking beer. While driving.
That makes
yeah.
sense. I'm gonna take a left here.
Ew. Smoky.
Whoa, look at that thing.
Whoa. Put the backs in the back. Bruh. I just wanna kiss my fish, drive my truck, drink my beer.
Gotten 32 miles to the gallon on this drive.
Nice.
Shut up. These fucking red light cameras.
Nope, drink and drive. I also think Atticus was lying about about the alcohol limit going down. Atticus, if you're watching this, you're a liar.
He better be. He better be watching this all the way to the end.
Yeah,
Oh,
that'll be
fucker.
like a little Easter egg for him.
Comment, oh sir, if you're watching.
You can't say that.
I didn't say it in the voice.
Doesn't matter.
I can say it
No, you
as long as it's
cannot.
not in the voice. That was the agreed.
No, you can't say it, period, bruh.
Since
In the
when?
context. No, remember I told you, you cannot say it in the context.
That's
of
pretty sweet, EK.
It's being from Willie Steamboat, bro.
It's Willie Steamboat?
Yeah. Steamboat Willie. There we go. I got
Bruh.
it.
Where's this one?
Dude, hidden real good, bro.
Right?
Thank God
That's
you
the
got a
lake.
radar detector because you would have gotten pulled over by now, I feel like.
Probably.
Especially if their hiding is so good.
Right? Where is this dude? I mean, oh, that's him. Had to have been. Oh yeah, because it's going away. He looked like he was cooking a little bit. Dino. Dino.
Whoa, look at that car wash.
That is kind of sick.
Right? That'd be a cool place to take pictures.
That's a good point.
You're welcome.
I really want to get pictures near one of the places, like the spots around town that have the cherry trees.
Yeah. They're gonna go away soon.
I know, I have to do it like now.
They only last like a month.
Yeah.
Is that? Oh, I love all the trees blossoming. It's so pretty around here. I could totally see people getting like seasonal depression in Honolulu
Why?
because it's ugly during the winter.
You don't know that. It wasn't that bad.
It's kind of ugly.
Bruh.
All the trees were dead. Dead trees are kind of ugly. Heavenly donuts and more. Can I get my wiener sucked?
What the fuck?
It said it more.
Why is that the more?
I don't know.
The fuck?
Your reaction. Oh my gosh, you're such a baby.
Well, that's just not what I was expecting.
Oh, there's another one. He's been there all day.
Has he?
Yeah.
Bitch. I just
Maybe he's
wanna
just been there since I got off. I
kiss
can't
my
remember.
fish.
My perception.